In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify not showing on your Discord status. If you're playing music on Spotify but it's not appearing in your Discord activity, here's how to fix it. First, open Discord and click on User Settings. From the left-hand menu, go to Connections. If your Spotify account is already linked, click the cross icon and choose Unlink. Next, click on Spotify from the list and sign in to your account. Once you've logged in, close the window. Your Spotify account should now be reconnected. Make sure both Display on Profile and Display Spotify as your status are turned on. After that, play a song on Spotify and check if it shows up on your Discord activity. If it's still not working, check your Discord status. Click on your profile icon and make sure it's set to Online. Still no luck? Open the Start menu on your computer and go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet, then VPN, and make sure you're not connected to any VPN. After that, go to Apps, then Installed Apps, search for Discord, click the three dots, and select Uninstall. Once it's removed, open the Microsoft Store, search for Discord, and reinstall it. After reinstalling, open Discord again, play a song on Spotify, and your status should now show correctly. Let me know in the comments if this helped.